Okay, set up the tent. There's only one thing missing. See, this is the cover in case it rains. This helps us from getting wet. The zipper, see, this is the way it looks inside. There's a little net to keep mosquitoes off. But up to a king size mattress could fit in there. And we have a queen. And then these poles there tightens up and holds on to the ground in case it's really windy. This is Kitcha tent. And it's an MH100 with 3 people that can sleep here. So we'll have more room because little Coreque is small. We have little Coreque and Mrs. Coreque. Say hi, Abraham. Abraham?
Is that a rocking chair?
Yeah, he's trying to rock. See, he claims and he took over my blue chair. We just bought these today. And Mrs. Coreque, she chose the purple shirt. And look at her shirt. It's perfect. It says, let's go camping. And they have these bars with a hook way on top so you can set your garbage.
Yeah, because they wanted to take the trash.
Yep.
That's so funny.
And then this is where people have their bonfire and their barbecue. So there's a log right there. So I'm using the log. But I don't want to start barbecuing too soon. So my wife has said she's hungry. And we're still on that strict diet, eating once a day. We were trying to move right over here, right next door, but everything's working out right here. So we're gonna spend the night over here. And then there's a lake. There's a lake over there. And then we have easy access to the restrooms right here, and they have running water. Show you where the water's at in case somebody wants to drink water. I was looking up online and they said that's good water to drink. And I'm gonna do some fishing in the morning. And inside the restrooms they have showers if you want to take a showers, but you have to put your chinelas on.
That's why you're staying here for 1 night.
Yes.
Just take shower when we go back home. It's our
Yeah.
first time coming.
Yes. Yeah, it is the first time coming here, so we're just experimenting. You know what? It's gonna work out. Actually, I'm happy that we stayed here because the table over there now has the sun. So it works out. And now we feel the good breeze. Now we don't have little Coreque complaining and crying. Now he looks nice and relaxed. Those are actually some nice chairs. Camp folding chairs, yeah.
I'm glad you mentioned it. Because you said, and I was like, it's coming. It's supposed to be folders and folders. Why do you have to bring a chair?
Repeat that again, honey.
Because when you mentioned about getting a chair, I was like, what? It's camping. We're supposed to be always in colors, not chair. But I'm glad you mentioned it because now it feels nice.
Yes.
Actually.
So we got the fire going for Mrs. Koreke because she's hungry. So she has me getting the fire started. As soon as the charcoal is ready, then we can start cooking. And little Koreke is eating Pringles. He's been having a difficult time eating real food. He gives us a hard time. All he's been eating is peanut butter crackers and Pringles and his Gerber chips. Abraham, get up. Earlier the park rangers came and was giving us a roll. So right now we're doing sausage. Let's go check up on little Koreke. Hi Abraham, what are you doing? You're playing? I'm surprised you get receptionists all the way over here. Come on, let's go over here with Mama.
I use 2 different seasonings. The barbecue and grill and the lemon.
So she's using this seasoning, garlic butter,
Let's try which is the best. Which is better, I should say.
and the lemon and pepper seasoning.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Get the asparagus. I said eggplant, but he said the eggplant, the
Asparagus.
skin feels like, or it's like a plastic.
Yeah, the
That's why-
skin of the asparagus.
No, the eggplant you mean.
I mean, sorry,
Yeah.
the skin of the eggplant is like rubberish or like plastic in your mouth. It's weird. You could only eat what's inside. Underneath the skin is what you could. I mean,
it's
yeah, underneath the
probably
skin what you
also
could
the
eat.
way I cook.
Because before it used to not be like that. Remember?
No, it's not. Or maybe the eggplant that we bought.
make a love shot.